Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, good morning, everyone. It's a little after 7 a.m. and we're headed to Wilkesboro to pick a Denali XL up. I think it's sold, and there's 3 or 4 more cars down there I need to pick up, but I just don't have no one to go with me. And my trailer's actually got a flat on it this morning for some reason. So we're going to just, hopefully the boy that helps me will be waiting on me where he's supposed to be, and we will head that way and be back here by about 10 o'clock. That's the plan. We'll see how it works out. We're driving the 05 F-150 XLT Lariat today. That's a near mint truck. So we will see how the day goes. Hopefully these videos will be a little bit better than the one I uploaded last night. I didn't do nothing to it, just loaded it. So let's head to Wilkesboro. See you in a few. Here's the Denali that we picked up in Wilkesboro. It's a 2008. Denali also stopped on the way and looked at this 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty regular cab XL truck. The truck is a little rough, like I was saying, and it's got a couple of problems. There isn't a title to be had for it right at this minute, and there's no keys. But so what do you all think? Should we buy it or just leave it alone? Comment below on what you think we should do with it. Thanks. The before pictures of the truck. All right, and here is the after photos or video of this truck after I changed the wheels and tires. I think it made a tremendous difference in this truck. You can look at the videos and the pictures of it before. I mean, it's a different truck. So what do y'all think? Comment below and let me know what you think. If you think the wheels and tires improve this truck about 1,000%. It doesn't even look like the same truck. I mean, honestly, it just looks 1,000 times better, I think. Comment below. And here is the 2005 XLT Lariat. I changed the wheels and tires on it too. These wheels and tires come off my 04 STX, and I think it helped it 1,000 times as well. I think wheels and the tires make a huge difference in these trucks. As you can see, it looks more aggressive, and these are really good tires. They're like 35 inches tall almost. They've got almost new tread on them. I had them on my truck for, I might have put 5,000 miles on them, but my little truck was just a 4.6, and it was about too much for it with the trailer behind it. Again, the white truck is 1,000 times better. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, email me at the above email.